Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb lechapes, which means to search. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew verb for to search is lechapes. Lechapes. To say I search or I'm searching as a male, say אני מחפש. אני מחפש. To say I search or I'm searching as a female, say אני מחפשת. אני מחפשת. To say I searched as either a male or a female, say אני חיפשתי. אני חיפשתי. To say I will search as either a male or a female, say אני אחפש. אני אחפש. To say you search or you're searching when speaking to a singular male, say אתה מחפש. אתה מחפש. To say you searched when speaking to a singular male, say אתה חיפשת. אתה חיפשת. To say you will search when speaking to a singular male, say אתה תחפש. אתה תחפש. To say you search or you're searching when speaking to a singular female, say את מחפשת. את מחפשת. To say you searched when speaking to a singular female, say את חיפשת. את חיפשת. To say you will search when speaking to a singular female, say את תחפשי. את תחפשי. To say he searches or he is searching, say הוא מחפש. הוא מחפש. To say he searched, say הוא חיפש. הוא חיפש. To say he will search, say הוא יחפש. הוא יחפש. To say she searches or she's searching, say היא מחפשת. היא מחפשת. To say she searched, say היא חיפשה. היא חיפשה. To say she will search, say היא תחפש. היא תחפש. To say we search or we are searching as males, say אנחנו מחפשים. אנחנו מחפשים. To say we search or we are searching as females, say אנחנו מחפשות. אנחנו מחפשות. To say we searched as either males or females, say אנחנו חיפשנו. אנחנו חיפשנו. To say we will search as either males or females, say אנחנו נחפש. אנחנו נחפש. To say you search or you're searching when speaking to plural males, say אתם מחפשים. אתם מחפשים. To say you searched when speaking to plural males, say אתם חיפשתם. אתם חיפשתם. To say you will search when speaking to plural males, say אתם תחפשו. אתם תחפשו. To say you search or you're searching when speaking to plural females, say אתן מחפשות. אתן מחפשות. To say you searched when speaking to plural females, say אתן חיפשתן. אתן חיפשתן. To say you will search when speaking to plural females, say אתן תחפשו. אתן תחפשו. There is another form which is אתן תחפשנה, but it's archaic and we don't really use it nowadays. To say they search or they're searching when speaking about males, say הם מחפשים. הם מחפשים. To say they searched when speaking about males, say הם חיפשו. הם חיפשו. To say they will search when speaking about males, say הם יחפשו. הם יחפשו. To say they search or they're searching when speaking about females, say הן מחפשות. הן מחפשות. To say they searched when speaking about females, say הן חיפשו. הן חיפשו. To say they will search when speaking about females, say הן יחפשו. הן יחפשו. Here as well, there is another form which is הן תחפשנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the verbs. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.